Hello everyone. This evening I was going to sing Mambo Italiano for my good friend Linda. But sorry Linda, I've been practicing but I haven't got it quite right and they're fast lyrics, pretty tricky, so I'll sing it for you next time. Tonight I'm going to sing My Rifle, My Pony and Me. It's from a 1959 Western called Rio Bravo, starring Dean Martin, John Wayne and Ricky Nelson. I hope you like it. The sun is sinking in the west, the cattle go down to the stream, the redwing settles in the nest. It's time for a cowboy to dream. Purple light in the canyon, that's where I long to be, with my three good companions, just my rifle, pony and me. Gonna hang my sombrero on the limb of a tree, coming home, sweetheart darling, just my rifle, pony and me, just my rifle, my pony and me.
Whippoorwill in the willow sings a sweet melody, riding to Amarillo.
Just my rifle, my pony and me. No more cows to be roping, no more strays will I see round the bend. She'll be waiting for my rifle, pony and me, for my rifle, my pony and me. Good night.